Hi guys, welcome to Dr.Wanderlust channel. The Tugela Gorge, a breathtaking natural wonder nestled in the heart of magnificent Drakensberg Mountains in South Africa. In this video, I'll take you on a virtual journey through this awe-inspiring landscape, showcasing its rugged cliffs, pristine rivers, and the mesmerizing Tugela waterfalls. Join us as we embark on an adventure through the Tugela Gorge Trail, immersing ourselves in the beauty and grandeur of this remarkable destination. This video is the part 2 of Tugela Gorge Trail. The part 1 is available in the description and it is also in the top. In this video, I will provide an overview of Tugela Gorge, discussing its geographical location, the significance of the Drakensberg Mountains, and the formation of the gorge by the Tugela River. I'll highlight the natural features that make Tugela Gorge a unique and captivating destination, including the Tugela waterfalls, which is renowned for its impressive height and sheer beauty. In Drakensberg, nature showcases an incredible array of beauty, from breathtaking landscapes to intricate patterns in plants and animals. The vibrant colors, intricate shapes, and harmonious designs found in nature are captivating and visually stunning. Tugela Gorge is a natural feature located in the Drakensberg Mountains of South Africa. It is known for its stunning beauty and is a popular destination for hikers and natural enthusiasts. The gorge is formed by the Tugela River, which flows through the rugged terrain, creating deep gorges and impressive waterfalls. The Tugela Falls, the tallest waterfall in the world, cascades down the cliffs of Drakensberg, adding to the allure of the area. Hiking in Tugela Gorge offers visitors the opportunity to explore the dramatic landscapes, including towering cliffs, lush valleys, and crystal clear streams. The trail can vary in difficulty, ranging from easy walks along the riverbanks to more challenging treks up steep slopes and rocky terrain.
This is the most spectacular Tugela Gorge tunnel. It is located at the bottom of the Tugela waterfalls, and here you can see the gorge splits the whole rock shelf into two and makes this path. This is called Gorge Tunnel, and there's a big pool. I don't want to enter here because it's a little bit deeper. I don't want to go into that, but I climbed the whole way from there. Can you see the outside? That's the exit of the tunnel. I climbed there. Here we can see. Okay. This is the majestic Tugela Gorge tunnel. Oh my god. The photos and videos can't give justice. Oh my god. So beautiful. at the end there are some people.
One of the most popular hikes in the area is the Tugela Gorge Trail, which takes you deep into the heart of the gorge. This trail offers breathtaking views of the Tugela Falls and takes you through a narrow gorge where you can witness the power of the rushing river. It's important to note that hiking in Tugela Gorge can be physically demanding and requires adequate preparation. It is recommended to wear appropriate hiking gear, carry plenty of water and snacks, and be aware of weather conditions. It's also advisable to hike with a guide or experienced hikers if you are unfamiliar with the area.
Yeah.
Preparing for a hike in Tugela Gorge requires careful planning and consideration. I will cover essential tips and recommendations for hikers, including what to wear, what to pack, and the best time to visit. I will emphasize the importance of being physically fit, carrying sufficient water and snacks, being aware of weather conditions to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience. The Tugela Gorge Trail is a popular route for adventurers seeking to explore the wonders of this area. I'll describe the trail's difficulty level, the distance covered, and the estimated time it takes to complete the hike. Along the way, we will encounter magnificent viewpoints, captivating flora and fauna, and the exhilarating experience of walking through the narrow gorge with the Tugela River rushing alongside us. This beautiful trail is 18 kilometers up and down, and it may take 5 hours or even more than that depending on your level of fitness. A trip to Tugela Gorge wouldn't be complete without capturing its beauty on camera, but photos and videos doesn't give proper justice to the place. As our virtual journey through Tugela Gorge comes to an end, I'll summarize the key highlights and takeaway from this adventure. Okay, I emphasize the significance of preserving and appreciating the natural wonders of Tugela Gorge and the Drakensberg Mountains, and encourage viewers to plan their own visit to experience the magic firsthand. Whether you are an avid hiker, nature lover, or simply seeking awe-inspiring scenery, Tugela Gorge promises an unforgettable adventure that will leave you in admiration of power and beauty of nature.
Always be coming to your room at night. Elanti. That's very
Babies
sad.
on the left.
Antelope. And this is such a few of them.
The same family.
When we were here last week, there were cows on the hills.
What lovely, isn't it?
They're walking further up. Very tasty one.
Thank you for joining us on this virtual exploration, part 2 of Tugela Gorge Trail. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share with fellow adventure enthusiasts. Stay tuned for more exciting travel content from around the world. Until next time, happy exploring. Bye.